हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई वेलकम यू ऑल बैक टू एवीकेस एकेडमी। एवीकेस एकेडमी में आप सभी का वापस स्वागत करता हूं। सो टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर गोइंग टू बिगिन विद द मोस्ट अवेटेड एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सेशंस फॉर आवर CAPF एग्जामिनेशन। जो CAPF एग्जामिनेशन टारगेट, दिस इज द न्यू सीरीज फॉर विच आवर टारगेट वुड बी August 8th 2021। ठीक है, हम सबका एक ही टारगेट है। ऑल ऑफ आवर्स टारगेट इज वन, दैट इज 8th of August 2021। तो 8th of August 2021 को हमारा पेपर 2 किस तरह से होने वाला है, हाउ आवर पेपर 2 इज गोइंग टू बी प्रेजेंटेड, इज गोइंग टू लुक लाइक इन 2021, we will understand now. One more important thing, I'll just let you know guys, I am Shravan Samrani, going to deal with you various modules of your paper 2, that is like parts like essay, the part like argument and also the report. So basically हम कहना क्या चाहते हैं, whatever are the descriptive areas in your paper 2 syllabus, it's in my hands. ठीक है, so I am going to deal with these descriptive areas. Okay guys, so whenever I say this, that paper 2 is going to be a game changer, as you people are all aware of that the weightage for the paper 2 in CAPF examination is 200 marks, and majorly most of the areas will be of descriptive nature. If you observe and if you understand, the essay area which is going to comprise for 80 marks, the arguments which are going to comprise for 40 marks, and the report which is going to comprise for 20 marks. Okay people, 80, 40 and 20, 120 plus 20, 140 marks. In totality कितना हुआ? 140 marks. So this entire 140 marks is in my hands. Okay, my hand matlab the entire team's hand. Clear all of you? So what should be the approach, or else what are we going to do as a part of our paper 2? Everything in a crystal clear manner. Let us try to understand in this particular session. Clear all of you guys? So it would be like from today onwards, every day you are going to get the video series, the videos which will be uploaded at your portal. AVKS Academy का जो भी मोबाइल ऐप है उस पे आपको हर वीडियो देखने के लिए मिल जाएगा. Now first of all, I would like to proceed further. See, one thing which each and every one of you are not aware of. Clear? One thing which I would like to make it very clear at the very inside. बहुत ही शुरू में ही मैं आप सभी लोगों को एक चीज क्लियर करना चाहता हूं. पेपर 2 का जो एग्जामिनेशन है, इस पेपर 2 का टाइटल क्या है वो कई सारे लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता. They will just think पेपर 2 का मतलब उसमें एसे होगा, उसमें आर्गुमेंट होगा, उसमें रिपोर्ट होगा, उसमें ग्रामर होगा, इसमें प्रिसाइज होगा, उसमें कॉम्प्रिहेंशन होगा, और इन एरियाज में इफ आई एम गेटिंग मास्टर्ड, इफ आई एम गेटिंग गुड नॉलेज, देन आई कैन डू पेपर 2. बट दैट्स नॉट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड what is the theme behind, what is the reason behind addition of the paper 2 in your examination. The reason is, guys, you are all almost going to be given a topmost position. आप सभी लोगों को बहुत ही अच्छा पोजीशन इस CAPF के द्वारा मिलने वाला है. And when that is the condition, when that is the scenario, then along with the objective, UPSC always also want to check the descriptive skills of yours. Clear guys? UPSC along with objective, it wanted to check the descriptive skills as well. आपका दोनों स्किल्स देखना चाहता है UPSC, वो ऑब्जेक्टिव भी है और दूसरा डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी है. और इसीलिए इस डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर का टाइटल यदि आप देखा जाए तो इस टाइटल दिया गया है ऐसा कुछ, जनरल स्टडीज एसे एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. क्या दिया? जनरल स्टडीज एसे एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. लिसन गाइस, when I use the word general studies, whenever I use the word general studies, आपका पेपर वन जो है, whatever is your paper one, it is completely objective oriented. Yes or no? It is completely objective oriented. And whenever I say it is objective oriented, we have the key areas like history, the polity, like economy, like geography, like science and technology, like environment, and also like the areas such as science, environment, and also the current affairs. Clear? These were the areas in our paper one. But these all areas, ये सब areas को मिलाकर ही हम इसे general studies भी बोलते हैं. Getting this point very clear? All these areas together, we also call it as general studies. And that is the reason it is titled like general studies. What we need to do? Descriptive writing में हमें लिखना कौन सा टॉपिक है? लिखना वही टॉपिक है जो हमने जनरल स्टडीज में पढ़ा है. Whatever we have been mastered in general studies, so meaning is that whatever we read as a part of our objective syllabus, okay guys, whatever we read as a part of our objective syllabus, that will not alone going to help us in objective, but also that is going to help us in the descriptive as well. समझ रहे बात को? हमें ना सिर्फ वो ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर में यानी पेपर वन में ही काम नहीं आएगा, बल्कि वो पेपर टू में भी काम आने वाला है. ये अप्रोच थोड़ा सा समझिएगा, क्योंकि जरा ध्यान से समझते हैं. मान लीजिएगा एक टाइटल कुछ इस तरह से एस्से में आप सभी को दिया है. One title is given to all of you something in this way, like for example, briefly explain the uniform civil code. Briefly explain the uniform civil code. That is something which was a part of your Indian polity. That was a part of your Indian polity. Always do connect it with Indian polity. Say for example, you are given the title like advancements of ISRO. Advancements of ISRO. Again, that is a title which has to be connected with your science and technology. Clear all of you? With that, we have like a title, say for example, the Green India Mission, Green India Challenge, or Green India Mission. That has to be connected again with your environmental studies. So likewise, each and every title, I cannot say each and every title, but 90% of the titles can be connected with our general studies itself. But where the problem arises, समस्या कहाँ से आएंगे? Problem arises there where you are lacking with the descriptive skills or the descriptive ideas. You will be understanding titles in some cases. कुछ cases में आपको title समझ में आता है, लेकिन आप लिख नहीं पाते हैं. कुछ केसेस ऐसा होता है, some cases are like where you won't understand the title only. आपको टाइटल ही समझ में नहीं आएगा और आप लिखने थोड़ा सा दूर की बात मान लीजिएगा. ठीक है, अब देखिएगा, इस समस्या को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमारा कई सारा पिलर्स होता है. उसमें पहला पिलर मैंने बोला जनरल स्टडीज का परफेक्ट अप्रोच. क्लियर गाइस? The first secret of success in our paper 2 is perfect approach of general studies. In fact, what we are going to do is we will be training you how to write an essay, how to write an argument, how to write a report, all those things, stuff. But only when your general studies is perfect. Only when your basic knowledge about the topic is perfect. Only when you are able to analyze a particular topic, then only. That's the reason I have given you the first secret of success in paper 2 is perfect general studies approach. And second secret is good literature. Good literature. Meaning, आप किसी भी माध्यम में लिखते हो, एक ऐसे ही ऐसा आप सभी लोगों को एक मौका है, एक चांस है, जहाँ पर आप हिंदी में भी लिख सकते हो और इंग्लिश में भी लिख सकते हो. यू कैन राइट इन bilingual only for essay, but otherwise the remaining areas are to be presented alone in English itself. That's the reason literature plays a very, very important role. The second thing what I wanted from you is good literature. This is the second secret of success. And the third secret of success is good presentation skills. If you are having these three, यदि आपके हाथ में ये तीनों है, क्या क्या होना चाहिए? जनरल स्टडीज का परफेक्ट अप्रोच होना चाहिए, विद दैट लिटरेचर ठीक होना चाहिए, विद दैट गुड प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल होना चाहिए. If you have these three, you will assure me that yes, I am the winner of paper 2 this time. Yes, I can do paper 2 this time. So that kind of a spirit has to be imbibed within you, has to be captured within you. I'm getting this one very clear. ये तीन ही सीक्रेट हैं. पेपर 2 में कोई भी कुछ हासिल करना चाहता है, कुछ विजय करना चाहता है. Somebody have wanted to win in paper 2. The 3 secrets of success is this. Mantra है मेरा ये. And guys, this paper 2, whatever we are going to follow, whatever we are going to do, हम जो कुछ भी करने वाला है, whatever we are going to do as a part of our paper 2 courses, I'll make sure. मैं आप सभी को वादा देता हूँ, आप सभी को ये बता देता हूँ शुरू में ही. I am going to make you perfect in these 3 areas. ठीक है. But I cannot promise you 100% coverage of first part, because it is your and my effort. हम दोनों का ही काम है, हम दोनों का ही मेहनत है. समझ रहे बात को? हमारे कहने का मतलब ये है, what I am trying to convey here is that guys, if I speak about the general studies, if I get a topic called black money, that particular topic has to be connected with your economy. If you get a title called 3 farm bills, that has to be connected with your economy. So your basic economy has to be perfect. Getting this? अब सभी का जो बेसिक्स होता है वो हमेशा ठीक होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Though I'll be explaining you wherever it is necessary, जहां पर भी जरूरत है वो मैं आप सभी को पढ़ाते हुए जाऊंगा, लेकिन आपका भी मेहनत इस पे लगेगा. Because ultimately it is you who are going to write. आप सभी लोग लिखने वाले हो, हम नहीं लिखेंगे. हम कैसा लिखना बताते हैं, क्या लिखना बताते हैं. What content has to be gathered, we will train you. Clear guys? But ultimately it is you who need to put a pen on the paper. Clear guys? So that is the reason I have said in the beginning only, you need to understand the title that is suggested by UPSC for our paper 2. Title क्या दिया है? General Studies, Essay and Comprehension is the title that is suggested by Union Public Service Commission. So UPSC is making making us fall into the comfort zone. कैसे comfort zone भाई? किस तरह से comfort zone भाई? देखो general studies लिख दिया ना. When it is written general studies, yes, we are in the comfort zone because we are all mastered in that. But yes, some sort of other titles can also be asked with related to the philosophy, with related to the society, with related to the culture, maybe with related to the politics. Clear? Though they are not directly a part of our general studies. Okay. But still, I am going to also train you how to write these essays. Because guys, philosophy or ethics is some area जहाँ पर हम बहुत ही ढंग के काम करेंगे, बहुत अच्छा काम करेंगे. In order to make ourselves feel comfort, though we get the titles which are unknown to us. ठीक है? Unknown titles कौन सा होंगे भाई? Unknown titles वही होंगे जो हमारा जनरल स्टडी से कनेक्ट नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है? से फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप सभी को ये तो पता है, यू विल बी गेटिंग 6 essays. आपको पूरा 6 essay दिया जाएगा और आपको उसमें से 4 लिखना है. यदि ये चारों में 4 if 4 out of 6 essays जनरल स्टडीज से कनेक्टेड है, तब आप उसको अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. यस, यू कैन अपीयर फॉर दोज 4 essays. But guys, majority of the people, I say majority of the people are going to do what you have done. समझ रहे हैं? अब जो काम किया है, बहुत सारा लोग, अधिक प्रतिशत के लोग वही काम करने वाला है. अब अलग कैसे हैं? अब अपने आप में यूनिक कैसा है? What UPSC want is how unique you are. Remember this. How special you are. Remember this. How different you are. Remember this also. सभी लोगों में से आप अपने आप को अलग तरीके से दिखेगा. What if all others are appearing for general studies related titles and you go yourself and appear the philosophy titles, society titles, culture related titles, provided you have the knowledge on that, provided you have a good command on that. अब सभी लोगों को अच्छा कमांड होगा तब ना आप लिख पाओगे. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ, don't ever take easy the philosophy topics also, because the ones who are appearing the philosophy topics will be taken into the will be getting the highest mileage also, will be getting the highest weightage also according to the previous trends of Union Public Service Commission. But whenever you answer a question, make sure that you are aware of the particular title. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम अलग होना है इसीलिए फिलोसफी का टाइटल हम आंसर कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं. टीक अप्रोच नहीं होगा भाई. वो आपको मालूम है, अब जानते हो उस टाइटल के बारे में, तभी जाकर के आपको अपीयर करना पड़ेगा या फिर आंसर करना पड़ेगा. Clear all of you guys? So I think this is coming very clear. First of all, the title which is been suggested or recommended for the CAPF by Union Public Service Commission. Now let us look at the marks divide. Broadly score divide कुछ इसी तरह से होगा जी. आपका स्कोर जो है वो हमेशा मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम ही होना चाहिए. इट ऑलवेज हैज टू बी एट पीक्स. एसेस आपको 4 लिखना पड़ेगा हर एक एसे के लिए. फॉर ईच एंड एवरी एसे इट कैरीज 20 मार्क्स. सो इन टोटलिटी यू विल बी गेटिंग 80 मार्क्स. एंड द आर्गुमेंट, the second part which we call it as an argument, it is a printing mistake here. 2 into 20, 20 marks का एक argument लिखना है आपको. One argument has to be written for 20 marks. 2 into 20 gives us 40 marks. Clear? Report writing 2 into 10, 20 marks. Clear? Precise writing 15 marks. Clear? Comprehension 20 marks and grammar will be 25 marks. So in totality 25 plus 15, 40, 60, 60 plus 140, 200 marks. Clear? In totality यही सब मिलके हमें 200 नंबर देने वाला है. एंड इसमें से मैं पहले ही बता दिया आप सभी को 3 areas: essay, argument and report. These are the areas which I am going to cover, यानी मैं कवर करूंगा. And the other areas, precise comprehension and grammar, this will be covered by your English faculty or the English mentor. Are you all getting this point very clear? I hope it is coming very clear. Clear guys? So this will be the basic broad score divide. लेकिन मैं शुरू से ही आप सभी को कह रहा हूँ, आप सभी से कह रहा हूँ कि स्कोर हमेशा हमारा टारगेट होना चाहिए. हमारा टारगेट हमेशा यू शुड स्कोर लाइक 120, 130 और 140 इन पेपर 2. इफ दिस इज द टारगेट, then you will get the safest score like 80, 90 or 95. This is the score which we consider it as the safest score. Clear guys? So that approach I want each and every one of you to follow along with me. Clear? What we do for essay? Essay में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? In fact, it is not the first essay class. First essay class is going to start after this. इसी सेशन के बाद पहला essay class start होगा. लेकिन ऐसे में हम शुरू में कुछ फ्रेमवर्क्स हम बताएंगे। फ्रेमवर्क्स यानी आपको ऐसे किस तरह से लिखना है, what has to be the framework for writing an introduction, writing a main body, because essay will be comprising basically of three parts. One is your introduction part, other is your main body part, and the other is your conclusion part. So we will be training you separately. हम अलग अलग से ट्रेन करेंगे, पहले इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे लिखना है, फिर मेन बॉडी कैसा लिखना है, फिर कंक्लूजन कैसा लिखना है। फ्रेमवर्क ट्रेनिंग सेशंस, separate sessions on introduction, main body, and also the conclusion with the टॉपिक वाइज ट्रेनिंग लिंकिंग विद द जनरल स्टडीज। जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था आपसे, इनिशियली ओनली आई हैव सेड ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक विल बी कवर्ड, कवरिंग कनेक्टिंग इट विद द जनरल स्टडीज। जनरल स्टडीज यानी ईच एंड एवरी एरिया, बीट पॉलिटी, बीट हिस्ट्री, बीट economy which is very important, science and technology that is very important, environment that is very important। इस तरह से कई सारा एरिया से हम मिलजुल के हमारा पेपर 2 अप्रोच करेंगे। Current linked topic explanation. If whatever is happening, whatever is trending, like in recent times it is trending, like the 3 farm bills is trending, that is a contemporary topic. Like in the recent times the national education policy is trending, that is a current topic. Vaccination is trending in the recent times, that is a current topic. So each and every current linked topics we are going to do as a part of our paper 2 discussion. Current updation भी मैं करूँगा, I am going to do the current updation also, and I'll also frame the title in that regard. ठीक है? Training on essay writing with real time approach. मतलब what we are going to do is we are going to make sure that you are facing the examination live. हमारा सेशंस में कुछ इसी तरह से रहने वाला है कि आप सभी लोग, आपका जो एग्जामिनेशन है 8 अगस्त का जो एग्जामिनेशन है, उस 8 अगस्त को आप कई सारे बार, more number of times, we will make sure you are going to get the real time experiences. Clear guys? That is one more point which I am going to add here. Real time experiences is where we are going to give you certain titles, we are going to explain several titles, we are going to give you several assignments where you will feel that yes, August 8 I am ready, yes August 8 I am ready with my essay. इस तरह से आपका एक inbuilt confidence develop हो जाएगा। And one more important game changer, I call it as game changer, I will promote it at any cost. मैं किसी भी हाल में मैं इसे प्रमोट कर दूंगा, क्योंकि the reason is paper 2 book which have been the most successful this year, and majority of the questions we are getting or we have got from our paper 2 book, and that's the reason इस पूरा सक्सेस का क्लेम हम ही लेंगे, AVK's का पेपर 2 book. And this time we are also going to do take several topics from our paper 2 book, and maximum of the topics we are going to try to cover in our upcoming sessions. Clear? पहला बुक का भी हम कवरेज करेंगे, जनरल स्टडीज का भी टॉपिक्स हम करेंगे, करंट लिंक टॉपिक्स भी हम करेंगे। बुक्स का मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम वी विल बी टेकिंग द फिलोसफिक्स इटसेल्फ। क्लियर? फिलोसफी या फिर एथिक्स या फिर सोसाइटी रिलेटेड का जो भी टॉपिक्स है, वी विल बी टेकिंग एंड ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द बुक, बिकॉज वी विल कम टू नो, हमें समझ में आएगा कैसे हमें लिखना है, किस तरह से हमें लिखना है। देन argument writing is another important part. Like whatever the approach we followed for essay frameworking, similar frameworking session will be there for arguments also. Arguments का आपका introduction होगा, फिर आपको main body होगा, लेकिन उसमें you need to write for and you need to write against points, and later you need to write the conclusion points as well. Clear guys? So that approach we are going to follow frameworking. कैसा introduction होगा इसका, कैसा conclusion होगा, सब सारा कुछ। Analysis on topics with strong for and against arguments or strong for and against points. हर टॉपिक का for, हर टॉपिक का against टॉपिक्स हम आपको समझाते हुए वो भी strong points हम आपको देते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे। Arguments in connection with the current topics, we will do that anyways. Arguments in context of different topics taken from general studies also. when we enter into argument आपको समझ में आएगा when we what are the general studies linked argument related topics. Broad coverage of pros and cons of different topics, yes, that though we will do it at any cost. Clear all of you guys? So that is the basic approach. In fact, argument writing will be a very different session for us. Then the report writing is something which is again the most important part. As a part of our report writing, since we are going to get 20 marks for report writing, 2 into 10 report writing में 10 number दिया जाएगा. Here also we will be looking after the framework for report writing, कैसा इसका framework होना चाहिए. We will also be having in connection with this something called the recent incidents that are happened or the recent events that are taken place, because basically your report writing will be more and more linked and connected with the recent events itself, and that is the reason the recent events will have a framework. First of all, date, place, name वगैरह कहाँ आना चाहिए, title कैसे देना चाहिए, what point should be done, why report should be always written in past tense, everything we will be training in the report writing sessions as such. So this is something from my end for our approach as a part of our paper 2 discussions. In the coming times, I mean from the next class onwards, we'll be taking up each and every idea whatever I have presented in a much more detail and complete our paper 2 course, and our target will be 8th of August 2021, but we will be completing our entire presentations by probably May or June 2021, because the entire mid of June and the entire July we are going to go only for the evaluations. We will do only the evaluations, paper corrections वगैरह, because at the time we will not be having anything new to learn, anything new to read, but whatever we have learned so far till June, we are going to have a different approach where we will be going for the paper evaluations. Clear guys? So that is the approach which we are going to follow in the paper 2 course of AVKS Academy. Clear? Thank you so much. See you soon in the next sessions.